Hey guys, what's up? So you're looking to transfer your Google Play gift card balance to PayPal or any other wallet? You've dived into the correct video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer your Google Play gift card balance to PayPal or any other digital wallet. Alright, so without any further ado, let's aim this tutorial. Alright, so first things first, let's understand the basics with this. So you need to, if you're using your Google Play gift card, it is very probably that you've looked to transfer your Google Play gift card balance to another account or another device. Okay, so according to this app here, according to Google Play, the gift card balance is not redeemable for cash or other cards. Is not redeemable or refundable, cannot be combined with other non-Google Play balances in your Google Payments account, and cannot be resold, exchanged, or transferred for value except as required by the law. Okay, so what does this actually mean? It means that unless required by the law, or in some states, in regions that required, that Google Play required to let users transfer their Google Play balances to other accounts or wallets, you won't be able to transfer your Google Play gift card balance. Okay, so I went ahead and searched for other methods or other workarounds to transfer my Google Play gift card balance to PayPal, and here is what I got. So I just went through the Google Play Help Center, and then I just saw an answer, a recommended answer from a Diamond Product Expert. So what he actually says is, I'm sorry, that's not possible. Your Google Play balance can't be refunded or transferred to another account. That's a very big mess. So that just confirms what I read earlier in the Google Play gift card limitations. Okay, so besides all of this, I actually found a way to transfer your Google Play gift card balance to another account or to your Google or to PayPal account. Okay, so link to this method or to this full guide is provided in the video description. You want to check that out to transfer your Google Play gift card balance to any account or digital wallet. Alright, so since we can't officially transfer our Google Play gift card balance to PayPal or any other wallet or account, the method that we will need to use is an alternative method, and of course we're going to use a third-party app where thankfully it's available on the Google Play Store. You can get the download link in the video description. So the app we'll be using today is Tasky Opinion Rewards. You can just search for it to the Google Play Store, or you can get it direct download link from the video description. Okay, so after that, let me just install the app. Right, so after installing the app, I'll just open it real quick. Okay, so I'm just going to, you can even read through this. It says easily convert your Google Play balance to real money within 10 to 15 days. Okay, so just click on next, and then this is just a quick tutorial within the app. Let's walk through it. So the first step is to purchase a token. So you have to purchase token using your Google Play balance in the app's purchase section. Okay, so these are the different amount of tokens that you can purchase that in rupees. So this app is mainly for Indian users, but lately the app has extended its services to other regions. All right, so you can just use it as well. So you have 100 to 5,000 rupees. So just click on next, and here is where everything gets sticky. So you can convert your purchase token. After purchasing a token, submit payout details to redeem the token in the app's convert section. Okay, so what you need to know about this app is the app actually, its fees are not very much convenient, and unless you really need to convert your Google Play gift card to cash or to send it to any digital wallet like PayPal or any other one, you wouldn't want to use this app because their fees are very hefty. So they have a 40% fee that they cut on your amount. As you can see, if you are to convert 100 rupees, you will receive 60 rupees for this conversion. Okay, so the fees that they charge for the conversion is actually 40%, which is very high. So if you're okay with this one, you just want to click on next, and then you can see that you can enter your, if you are in India, you can enter your Paytm wallet number. So you just need to enter that number right here, but if you aren't in India, you can just continue. So what we're going to do now is, since we don't have an account, we're just going to create a new account from here. So automatically the app is going to select your country, and then you can see payout options for withdrawals depend on your selected country. Okay, so you just want to select your country from this drop down. There are all countries listed there. So you just select your country and then you enter your name. Let me just get this done. So after entering your details, you just want to click on sign up. Just click on the sign up button right here. So after signing up for an account, you're going to be taken to this page. So you just want to read through these orange notice. Let me just read through that. Please note that the amount you receive will be 60% of purchase amount determined by the current exchange rate. It's important to understand that any taxes imposed by a country on purchased products are your responsibility. We are not responsible for these taxes as they are managed by Google and your country's authority. Thank you for your cooperation. So as you can see that you will receive 60% of the total amount that you'll be converting through this app. As I said earlier, they get a hefty 40% fees, which isn't convenient unless you really need to get this Google Play money into your PayPal account or any other wallet that's supported by this app. So what you do here is you'll be purchasing the rupees with your Google Play balance. Make sure that you redeem your Google Play Store gift card to your Google Play account. So you just have to select the rupees that you want to purchase. Let's say you can select 500 and automatically it's going to open your Google Play. So you just need to select your payment method here. From this you can see it automatically selects my MasterCard because I have that as a default payment method with Google Play. So you just want to select that and then you choose your Google Play gift card instead. So you just have to choose your Google Play gift card from the payment method listed right here, and after selecting your Google Play gift card, just select on one tap buy to purchase your Google Play to purchase these tokens. So after purchasing the tokens, you receive your money in your wallet within 10 to 15 days as said earlier. So you just select your PayPal as your payment method and then you receive that. And if you want to consult the history of your transactions, you can just click on this history button here to see how much or what you've purchased in the recent days. Okay, so that's how you get to transfer your Google Play gift card balance to PayPal and any other wallet. Alright guys, so if you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming updates. Alright, so I catch you on the next one.